Welcome back to the Corsa videos again. I think we're on like episode 16 now. We're going to be putting the rear end back together, so I need to feed all the wiring back on, get the rubber round, drop the tailgate on, start putting all the brackets on, cross member on, get the bumper all built up and get it fitted up. So hopefully in this episode we'll see the rear end more or less back together. Whether it's actually physically working is a different story, because I've got a lot of wiring I need to figure out. Obviously the tailgate won't actually physically shut and open at the moment because I need to wire in some buttons for it. But apart from that, we'll crack on with it, probably time lapse some of it and see how we go. So first off, we're going to put the rubber seal on around the outside. Going to get the tailgate wiring through, going to get the number plate wiring through. Gonna fit the vents, and then I'm gonna get some rivets, start riveting on all the brackets. I also need to bolt on the brackets for the tailgate. I've got new struts kicking around somewhere, so we'll fit them as well. And hopefully in this video we'll see the tailgate working, possibly, and all the rear end back together, and we'll have another little look around. So I'm gonna pop the camera down and crack on. So I cleaned these brackets up in the jet wash, just so there wasn't so much crap and crud all over them. All our brackets are on. I just need someone to come in now to give me a hand putting dropping the tailgate on. I need to go Lewis's, grab the cross beam because he cleaned it up and painted it for me. And then we can put the rear bumper on. So I'll be back shortly. So guys, that's the rear bumper on so far. Give you a quick little look. So I'm just going to nip upstairs quickly, grab the rear lights, we'll put them in, and then we'll show you the whole rear end more or less complete. I have had the glass in, which you'll see after I've obviously put the lights in. So the 2/4 glasses in the rear screen is all come privacy glass. Wasn't any extra, and it saves me money on getting it all tinted at a later date. Right, I will be right back and we'll start putting the lights in. Right, I've got the lights down from upstairs. I do believe they're the DNA lights, sorry, which are quite expensive. I did get some money back because one of them's got a little defect on it, which you can't really tell unless you're up close. So I'm just going to grab them out of the box now. I think they're going to look lovely on this colour of the car. So I'm just going to pop this one in. And we'll see once they're all fitted. So guys, the rear end's together. I'm going to show you the tailgate shut. There is a cool little feature with the tailgate I've managed to do, which is get it to pop up on its own, but obviously I can't show that right now until I put the whole front end together, because I've got a fuse box, put in battery, and then I've got wiring to wire a button in for the rear tailgate, because obviously I've smoothed it out so I can't get into it otherwise. But I've shut the tailgate down. I'll show you the complete rear end and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little notification bell. Help us out. We're always willing to help anyone out, so if you need any help, just message us on Instagram and we will try and do our best to sort you out. So here we go.